How to recover data from the hard drive of a dead laptop. When a computer dies due to a software failure rather than a hardware problem, its files remain inaccessible but intact on the hard drive. To recover data from the hard drive of a dead Windows, Mac, or Linux notebook, follow one of the methods below. Turn your old hard drive into an external hard drive, Windows, Mac, Linux. Get a hard drive disk enclosure. This is an external system into which you can place a computer's hard drive in order to run it on another computer via a USB port. Essentially, the enclosure will turn your laptop's hard drive into an external hard drive. Different computers use different hard drive models, so be sure to check your dead laptop's specifications before making this purchase. If your laptop has a 2.5 SATA drive, you will need a 2.5 SATA USB enclosure. Unless you have a SATA drive, be sure to buy a laptop-size disk enclosure. Only SATA-ready enclosures can accommodate both desktop and laptop hard drives. Note that disk enclosures aren't commonly found in big box stores and are usually purchased online. Borrow a working computer that is compatible with your old one. If you had a Windows, use another Windows. If you had a Mac, use another Mac, etc. Make sure it has enough space to accommodate the files you want to recover from the dead laptop. Alternatively, you can hook a second external hard drive up to the working computer and simply use the computer as a transfer system for the files. A Linux computer will be able to read files off of a Windows computer, but not the other way around, unless you understand both systems. However, it is best to use a Windows computer to recover a Windows hard drive. Mac users can insert a Windows hard drive into their computer and be able to read, not write, the contents of their hard drive if they did not install a separate driver, for example NTFS 3G or Paragon NTFS. Take caution, though, and only use Disk Utility during the process to mount the hard drive. Any other action you make on Disk Utility may remove contents. Remove the hard drive from the dead laptop. Turn off the laptop, unplug it, and remove the battery. Turn it over and you'll see that various sections of the laptop base can be unscrewed and removed separately. Either look up your laptop model online to see exactly where the hard drive sits or simply look for the most likely candidate, though it differs between laptops. A laptop hard drive is often similar in size and shape to a 3.5-inch floppy disk. Unscrew the hard drive cover and remove the hard drive. Some models will pop upwards, some will slide outwards, etc. Remove the disk enclosure's connector plate and insert it into the hard drive interface. Look for connector pins at one end of the drive to see where to make this connection. If you have an IDE hard drive, note that there is a detachable adapter sitting over the interface. Simply pull this adapter off so that the drive will properly connect with the enclosure's connector plate. Insert the hard drive into the enclosure. Screw it shut if necessary. Read the enclosure manual for additional details. Connect the external hard drive to the working computer with a USB cable. Make sure the computer is turned on. Once the drive is connected, an icon should appear on your desktop, Mac, or a notification should pop up, Windows. The computer might also open the drive for you automatically. If Windows doesn't automatically prompt you about the new external storage unit, simply open it manually by going to My Computer and looking for the new drive. If the hard drive isn't recognized at first, try ejecting it and plugging it back in. If the hard drive is not readable, it's likely that the hard drive itself, and not your computer's software, failed. If this is the case, you will need professional assistance if you wish to continue the salvage. Be warned that this can be very expensive. Explore and salvage your old files. Transfer them to either the working computer or to a second external hard drive by copying and pasting, clicking and dragging, etc. If you have a lot of large files, songs, movies, note that the transfer could take many hours. When you're done, close the window to your hard drive. The good news is that the dead computer is still physically intact and will probably work fine if you reinstall your operating system. Right-click the USB icon and select Eject. You can now detach the old hard drive.